Welcome to the new member-to-member email system, which allows you to promote your haves and needs to over 2,500 commercial members. The best way to promote your current commercial properties is to first list them on the MLS, where you can easily broadcast them to the other members, and it automatically includes the property details and photos directly in your message. The first step to promoting your MLS listing in the member-to-member system is to pull up your profile, where your listings will be included at the bottom of your profile page. You can easily broadcast your listings by clicking the broadcast button attached to your MLS listings when you pull up the property record. Please note that only you can promote your own listings. Once you click broadcast, it will create an email with your MLS property information, including any pictures that are in your MLS listing. It is extremely important to fill in the subject line with property details. Please be specific when describing the location, property type, and other details in the subject line. If you want to send a need or property that is not on the MLS, simply click on the listings page and then click on broadcast. This will create an email that will go out to all the commercial members. Remember to include the subject line and the have and need details in the body of the email. You can include an image by simply copying an image file and pasting it into the body of the email. Thank you for watching this video. We will be posting more tutorials soon. If you have any additional questions, please contact Paul@miamire.com and Jessica@miamire.com.